Navigators, today I'm going to show you how to set your own custom YouTube URL, and make sure you stay to the very end to learn how to set up an auto subscribe link for new viewers so you can gain more subscribers a lot faster. Alright, if you are watching this but you can't figure out why you don't have access to set up your own custom URL, you may be missing one of the 4 following eligibility requirements. First and foremost, you want to make sure you have gone into your settings and features and enabled all of your features. Then make sure you have all of the following checked off. Number 1, you have at least 100 subscribers. Number 2, you need to be at least 30 days old, your channel, not you personally. Number 3, have an uploaded photo as a channel icon. And number 4, have an uploaded channel banner art. Also, I want to say thank you guys so much who has shared and subscribed to this channel so far. You got us to 100 subscribers in 30 days and I truly appreciate it. Okay, so once you have completed the 4 eligibility requirements and you have settings and features enabled, it is time to set up your custom URL and auto subscribe link. Okay, so to set up your custom URL link, you want to go ahead and go to youtube.com and make sure you are signed in to the channel that you are trying to create the link for. Then in the upper right hand corner, select your profile picture and scroll down to where it says settings and click on settings. That is going to take you to your account settings page. Now from here, you can either go to advanced settings in the lower left hand corner or click view account settings underneath the profile picture in the middle of the page. This will take you to your advanced settings page, and on there under channel URL, you should see a blue line that says you are eligible for a channel URL. If you do not see this, you probably are missing one of the 4 requirements we talked about earlier. So for those who do have this, go ahead and click on that blue link. A pop-up box will prompt and it'll say get custom URL. Now YouTube does approve you for custom URLs. So here I only have one that is approved. Sometimes you'll have others. I also have an option that says add suffix. So if I click on that, it gives me a little bar, and so behind the navigating YouTube, I can add things if I wanted to, but I like it simple, so I'm going to just stick with the navigating YouTube without a suffix. Now from here, before you can confirm, it does say to make sure you agree to the terms of use, and I highly recommend to actually read these terms of use before checking this box and agreeing to them. The terms of use does cover things such as if you've met eligibility requirements, which we did go over, but just in case you are confused, you can click on that blue link and it'll take you to the requirements we talked about earlier. It also says things like you may only have one URL per channel, that your custom URL may not be sold, transfer, or assigned to anyone else. They do reserve the right to change or reclaim custom URLs, and custom URLs are free for now, but they may change it and charge a fee later on, but they will let you know ahead of time. Your custom URL may not include words or phrases that violate the YouTube terms of service, which if you are confused about that, you can go ahead and select those blue links and it'll take you to the YouTube terms of service to read about. And last, they may discontinue offering custom URLs at any time without further notice. Now, before we confirm your URL, you should know that there is no going back. So make sure that this is exactly what you want, because you cannot edit your link once it is made. Now, it also may take a few days for your new link to work. And the last, if you decide to rebrand later on, you can change your link by releasing the link you have and then reclaiming a new one. Okay, so now that we know there is no going back and you're very happy with the URL you have selected, let's go ahead and confirm and then get your custom auto subscribe link set up. Okay, so if you do agree to all of those terms of use, you can go ahead and check that box and then select validate URL. A second box will pop up. It just wants to really make sure this is the URL you want, and then you have to confirm your changes. From here, I highly recommend going in and making sure the custom URL worked. If it did not work, I would wait another 24 to 48 hours and just keep checking back to see if it has gone through. It may take a couple of days, and it shouldn't matter if you have that C in front of your name and the youtube.com, or if you capitalize any letters. It should all take you back to your channel. Now, to get your auto subscribe link, it is super simple. At the end of your custom URL, you are going to put the following phrase: !sub_confirmation equals 1. When this is used at the end, you will have a pop-up box that prompts your viewers to subscribe before entering in your channel and watching any of your videos. Once this is done, I highly recommend adding this to your channel art by going to customize channel, your about me section, go down to your links and use your YouTube link as your new custom URL with your your auto subscription at the end of it. You can also add it to bios on other social media such as Twitter and Instagram, which will all take your viewers directly to your auto subscription page with a pop-up box that prompts them to subscribe if they are not already before entering into your channel. Alright, if you have not reached 100 YouTube subscribers yet and you're not able to have a custom URL, you can go ahead and watch the video that is on the screen. I'll also have it pinned down in the comment section below. But for more simple strategies to grow on YouTube, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications. Now get out there, make some content, and let's grow together.